Today, the world faces uncertainty like never before. From rising tensions between powerful nations to high stakes negotiations over war and peace, to tragic acts of violence shaking communities, and strategic move that could reshape a global alliance. Every decision and every event is sending a ripple across the planet. These four major news show that the balance of power, security, and diplomacy is shifted, and the choices made today could shape the future for years to come. The first news today come from Europe and the United States, where tensions are rising between Washington and Brussels. US President Donald Trump has criticized European Union policies, sparking debates among EU leaders. Some officials are even considering negotiating directly with US, bypassing EU institutions. This is significant because the EU has long depended on unity to influence global trade, security, and climate policy. Immediately, this disagreement has created uncertainty in transatlantic relation, affecting trade talk and diplomatic coordination. Looking ahead, if this rift continues, we could see major change in how Europe and the United States work together, potentially weakening long-standing alliance and completing a global agreement on security and economic policy. Next, Europe is at the center of delicate talk over the Ukraine crisis. In Berlin, US and Ukrainian officials are discussing potential peace terms, including proposals that could involve scaling back certain NATO ambitions. Europe has shown strong support for Ukraine, but Russia has dismissed these proposals are as unrealistic. The outcomes of these talks matter because it could determine the future of European security, influence discussion about frozen Russian assets, and either stabilize or escalate tensions on the continent. Analysts warn that if diplomacy fails, the region could face further conflict, while successful negotiations might provide a path toward rebuilding Ukraine and strengthening European defense cooperation. The third major development comes from Sydney, Australia, where tragic mass shooting occurred during a festival celebration at Bondi Beach. At least a dozen people lost their lives in what authorities has called an anti-Semitic terror attack. This horrifying event has prompted security alerts around the world, from New York to Berlin, as governments work to protect during peaceful celebrations and international discussions about counter-terrorism, extremism, and global security have intensified. Looking forward, experts warn that countries must strengthen intelligence, law enforcement, and community vigilance to prevent such attacks in the future. And global cooperation against hate and terrorism will be more important than ever. Finally, India is making a strategic diplomatic move in the Middle East. External Affairs Minister of India S. Jaishankar is visiting Israel and the United Arab Emirates UAE, engaging in talk on economic cooperation, defense, and regional security. This is a part of India's long-term plan to become a key player in a region marked by both opportunities and volatility. The immediate impact includes potential deal in trade, technology, and military cooperation, while the wider significance is India's positioning itself as a stabilizing force amid shifting power dynamics. Looking ahead, the diplomacy could strengthen India's influence, create stronger economic ties, and allow it to play a more decisive role in a regional peace and security. Taking together, these four news reveal a world in a motion, from cracks in old alliance and tense negotiations over war and peace to acts of violence that remind us of the fragility of security and strategy that could refine power balance, today's events show that the global order is changing faster than ever. Leaders and citizens alike are navigating uncertainty, and the decisions made in the coming days and months will shape the course of international relations, security, and global cooperation. As the old world evolves, one thing is clear: vigilance, strategy, and dialogues are more important than ever in shaping a stable and secure future. What is your opinion? Comment in comment box and subscribe CLA. Thank you.
Yeah.